Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Have you ever spent hours trying to write the research methodology section of your thesis or research paper, only to end up feeling confused? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you how to write a professional research methodology step by step using AI tools like ChatGPT. I'll also share the best prompts, explain the structure, and recommend the tools that can make your research writing much easier. So watch this video until the end, because I'll give you a powerful AI prompt that you can use for almost any research topic. So first, what is research methodology? Before we start writing, let's understand what research methodology actually is. Research methodology is the section of a research paper that explains how the study was conducted. It answers questions such as, what type of research was conducted? Who participated in the study? How was the data collected? Which research instruments were used? How was the data analyzed? A well-written methodology helps readers understand that your research is reliable, valid, and scientifically organized. Step 1. Prepare your research topic. Before using any AI tool, clearly define your research topic. For example, the impact of social media on university students' academic performance. Having a clear topic allows AI to generate a more accurate and relevant methodology. Step 2. Use ChatGPT. Now open ChatGPT. Many students make the mistake of typing only, "Write my research methodology." This usually produces a generic answer. Instead, use a detailed prompt like this. Write a professional research methodology for the topic, "The impact of social media on university students' academic performance." Use a quantitative research design, survey method, a sample size of 250 university students, simple random sampling, a structured questionnaire for data collection, and SPSS for data analysis. Write in formal academic English suitable for publication. A detailed prompt gives you a much higher quality result. Step 3. Improve the AI output. Never copy the first AI response directly. Ask ChatGPT to improve it by using prompts such as, improve the academic vocabulary, remove repetition, make it concise and coherent, use publication-ready language, make it plagiarism-free, improve sentence flow. These refinements make your methodology sound much more professional. Step 4. Proofread your methodology. Once your methodology is ready, proofread it carefully. You can ask ChatGPT, proofread this methodology, improve grammar, and enhance readability without changing the meaning. This helps eliminate grammatical mistakes and improves clarity. Step 5. Verify references. One important reminder. AI tools can sometimes generate inaccurate or fictional references. Always verify your citations and references using trusted academic sources before submitting your work. Want to write a professional research methodology in under 1 minute? Here's how ChatGPT can help. Open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Write a professional research methodology for the topic, "The impact of social media on university students' academic performance." Use a quantitative research design, survey method, a sample size of 250 university students' academic performance, simple random sampling, a structured questionnaire for data collection, and SPSS for data analysis. Write in formal academic English suitable for publication. ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete methodology with the correct academic structure. You can then improve it by asking, make it publication ready, remove repetition, improve academic vocabulary, and proofread without changing the meaning. Follow for more AI research writing tips. Need a research methodology with clear explanations? Try Google Gemini. Use this prompt. Explain how to write a research methodology for the topic, "The impact of social media on university students' academic performance." Then, generate a complete methodology using a quantitative survey design, simple random sampling, 250 university students, questionnaire-based data collection, and SPSS analysis. Explain why each methodological choice is appropriate. Gemini doesn't just generate content, It also explains the reasoning behind each section, making it ideal for beginners. Save this prompt for your next research project. Want your research methodology to sound like it was written by an experienced researcher? Use Claude AI. Enter this prompt. Prompt: act as an academic research expert. Write a detailed, publication-quality research methodology for the topic, The Impact of Social Media on University Students' Academic Performance. Include research design, population, sample size, sampling technique, research instrument, data collection procedure, ethical considerations, validity, reliability, and SPSS data analysis. Claude produces natural, coherent, and highly detailed academic writing that often requires minimal editing. Follow for more AI research tutorials. Need real academic sources while writing your methodology? Use Perplexity AI. Try this prompt. Find peer-reviewed research articles that used a quantitative survey methodology to study the impact of social media on students' academic performance. Summarize the methodology used and provide links to the original research papers. Perplexity searches the web, summarizes reliable studies, and cites its sources, making it an excellent tool for literature support and methodology references. Always verify the sources before using them in your paper. Finished writing your methodology? Don't submit it before checking it with Grammarly. Paste your methodology into Grammarly and ask, improve grammar, punctuation, clarity, conciseness, and academic tone without changing the original meaning. Grammarly helps eliminate grammar mistakes, awkward sentences, and readability issues, making your methodology sound more professional. A final grammar check can significantly improve the quality of your academic writing. Want to make your research methodology more polished and easier to read? Use Quillbot. Paste your methodology into Quillbot and use this instruction. Paraphrase this research methodology using formal academic English. Preserve the original meaning, improve sentence flow, reduce repetition, and maintain a professional tone. Quillbot is excellent for refining your writing, improving readability, and creating smoother academic sentences while keeping your ideas intact. Always review the final version before submitting it. Before submitting your research methodology, review the grammar carefully. Verify all references and citations. Follow your university's formatting guidelines. Revise the AI-generated content in your own words where necessary. Always check your supervisor's requirements. Remember, AI is a powerful assistant, but your critical thinking and review are essential for producing high-quality academic work. I hope this AI tool makes your research writing faster and easier. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your classmates and fellow researchers. See you in the next tutorial with another amazing AI tool.